Here at Cleveland Bridge now we have an ageing workforce, so the apprenticeship programme is really important to us now. As guys retire and guys leave the engineering industry, the young boys, we need to bring them in, teach them the trade before we lose the skills that we need to keep building bridges here at Cleveland.
Hi, I'm Michael Spence, just came off my apprenticeship and my first year at Cleveland Bridge.
My name's Stephen Little. I've been an apprentice here for 2 years now. I've still got a year and a half of my apprenticeship to go.
I've always enjoyed like hands-on work and stuff like that, so good money, good career prospects in this sort of thing. I'm local, and Cleveland Bridge is a well-known company and it's big, interesting work.
I didn't fancy the university route, so I looked at apprenticeships in the area. And like Michael said, it's a big company within the area that offer a good apprenticeship. That's why I chose Cleveland Bridge.
What got me into an engineering apprenticeship is basically it's always about the kind of path that I've always wanted to follow. Interview with Cleveland Bridge, that went successful, and then I've been here ever since, so ever since I've left school, 16. I'm currently on my HNC at the minute, completing that university. I hope to go on to do my BEng, and then yeah, we'll see where it goes from there.
I came out of the army and spoke to a friend, and this is what he was doing. Decided it was the best route for me to go down because I like working in technical kind of roles. It's hands-on work. An apprenticeship's definitely a great way to get in the engineering industry. It's a great way to make money time you're learning the trade as well. My day-to-day work can kind of line from building components on girders to trial or action to working outside in the back of the factory. I'm hoping to work up to a civil engineering degree and then hopefully go into there to be a project manager.
Well, and before I came here, I'd never have been able to read a drawing or anything like that, or interpret anything like that. I could take these skills I've learned here anywhere, work anywhere within fabrication and welding. I could go inspection, stuff like that, and I've got a good knowledge of all sort of engineering really now through this. Since I've been here, I've worked on some big railway bridges and stuff like that, and I like the trial and action side of the job. So when we get things in here like big girders, we pair them up and trial and erect them here. So as they leave here, that's the way they're going to be on site. So I can see what that's going to be like on site. It's not just a drawing; it's actually a piece coming out of here as a full thing.